everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Syl Gonzalez, creator on DIY Belizean Mommy, which guys, I updated my channel's name to Syl Gonzalez Belizean Mommy because I am in the works of creating a craft channel. So I decided to switch up the name a little bit, so same person, same channel, just a different name. So here I'm doing this jello shot. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, but it's made in those little tiny, I call them shot glasses. I did this for a Valentine party, which we never used it, forgot it in the fridge, and so I just decided to give you guys a quick little video here this weekend of me making this jello shot. And this is really good. If you want more marshmallows in your jello, feel free to add more jello, and you can, I am assuming that you could melt down your marshmallow either in the microwave or with a little bit of hot water separately from the jello. But this is how I did it, and it was probably a little bit more messy, but it turned out. And this is a great way to serve a simple and inexpensive, I don't know if you want to call it a snack or dessert or appetizer, whatever you want to call it. One packet of jello goes really far, and you just make it cute with the marshmallow in between, and there you have it. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for joining me on my channel and supporting me on here. Hope you guys have a wonderful week or weekend. See you. Bye.